Elephant, elephant, so wise. Elephant, elephant, so wise. In a jungle deep and wide, where the tall trees touched the sky, lived an elephant strong and wise, with the saddest of soulful lies. Elephant, elephant, so wise. Elephant, elephant, so gray. Why do you look so far away? Is there sorrow in your heart as you roam this world apart? Through the rivers you wade so deep, in your dreams you softly weep. With every step you carry the weight of a world that's filled with love and hate. So elephant, with your graceful grace, keep roaming on at your own pace. For in your presence we all can see the beauty in this world so free. But don't you fret, don't you despair, for in your heart there's love to spare. The jungle's rhythm, the song of the night, will guide you through the darkest fight. Elephant, elephant, so wise. Underneath the starlit skies you are nature's gentle king, with a heart that loves to sing. Elephant, elephant,